Every entrepreneur, there's always this risk of burnout because it's your business 7 days a week, all day, every day. You're responsible for all this. So I know it's stressful, but what are some of your coping mechanisms? How do you kind of approach that? I mean, how are you doing on that? It's okay to admit it because we're all
No,
jammed up
listen,
with
we
this.
have so much going on day to day, and it's not just work. You have your
Right.
home life and your children and everything that you have going on. I get up every day and I'm happy, you know, so I'm happy that I have a business of my own and something that I, whether or not it's myself doing everything or my staff crazy because I need them to help me do something. I think it's really easy to burn out, but I just really try not work a full day,
Right,
So if I don't work, I'm not working 40 hours a week. I'm not. I come in mid-morning and leave at 2, and that's just how I make sure that I'm not overdoing